Okay, so Mitsubishi Outlander 2010. This is part 2 of the video. First part I removed and cleaned the starter, but it wasn't very great. So the same old starter is there, so let's hear the sound of this one starting. Started alright, not too bad. But this is sometime stuck, so I'm going to replace it with another one I bought of the scrappies. Okay. Should bring the car forward a bit. Okay, I'll give it another try. You see, hear the problem? So it made a sound. Started eventually, so it's not reliable. Okay, so let's go and replace it. Bonnet's popped off. Now what we are going to do is remove the air duct so that we have more room, plus the battery remover for the room and also for the safety, and this engine cover. To approach there, you see that yellow sticker? That's this solenoid attached to the starter motor underneath it. So you can see the shiny dome down there. That's the zoom in. First thing first, engine cover. Pull it up and then pull it towards you from there. Okay, that's the engine cover off. This can stay there. Next is to remove these two, this and the battery. Trick. Clips. Battery tray is held by one clip there. So I'll use my only brick. There we go. Brick is a very useful tool. So as you can see, the battery is removed, and here is the starter motor. Okay, here it is. On top of it you have these pipes, very delicate pipes, so you have to be careful. So wire and pipes, do not damage them, so use proper tool. Now there's one bolt there, number 14, this one. Okay, 14 at the end of here, and very close to the pipe, and there are two 14s underneath connecting there, so we'll have to go from here. Okay, so today I'm going to do it from the top. Let's disconnect the clip and the wire. Clip on. This one you need number 12. So you have to open number 12, the main power line, the positive one. other one you can leave on so that I have more room. Okay, so this pipe is going out of the way, so disconnecting down below. It's just air pipe. This is out of the way. Here's one, here's two, so now I can reach. There it is. Going from here. Okay, so one is on. Okay, ranking. That's one done. Oh, other one is even easier.
The problem is it's all one-hand operation. The good thing is, you don't have to jack up the car. You have to go underneath it. It's nice, isn't it?
Just to show you from here, that's where I'm going in. So I've removed this air pipe. Got some room, so you can go in there. As you can see, one. Oh yeah, that's it. Bingo! That's one out. There's one more like this. It is even easier. Just forward of it. Just let's put the camera back on. There. So I can't see it. I'm just chasing it with my fingers. Feel it, and that's it. That's in. Aha, second one. Third one is on the top. Earlier I have opened it, loosened it. I mean, see if I can crack it with my fingers. Yes, I can. This one, the third one, top one, also holds a bracket. It's also holding this bracket. And now before I remove this bolt, there's another one, number 10, which I need to open, which is holding the wire connection. So the wires have been disconnected now. Okay, and I need to open that number 10. Yes, the bracket is off. Time to take it out. The last bolt is out. Now I have to be careful with this piping. There we go. Since I've removed it once before, so Wasn't that difficult. Here's the bugger. Ah, lovely design, Mitsubishi. Thank you. Plenty room to take it out. Okay. So it's back to where it was. Oh my god, the clouds. Check out the clouds. It's gonna rain, looks like. My house is on top of the mountain next to the sea, so it's like a cliff area. This is the peak, this park you see. That's the peak of the mountain. So it's cloudy and rainy sometimes. Right, so this is the one I cleaned last time. Seems alright. Look, the spring effect is fine. It's not producing the proper magnetism to, you know, push this thing forward. So let's see, let's replace it and see what happens. Okay, where's the other one? New one. Alright, so this is the one I ordered from eBay. This one is very filthy. Whoa, the teeth on it are gone from the edge. See, edge, like this one, the one I have removed, its teeth are also gone on the edge. So this one also, teeth are already gone. So I hope it works fine. So full of carbon. This is quite sticky. Let's clean it first and see if it becomes loose. It's quite sticky. The one on the solenoid which is connected wire to the look at the teeth, they are all connected. I'd like to see what the hell. No way. Can't be. Shit. Right, see, is the bigger problem. Oh, the teeth on the flywheel are gone. Never seen this before. I'm sure you wouldn't have seen this before as well. This is unusual. These teeth are supposed to be very strong. See, they have been chaffed, they've been eaten halfway. Gone halfway. How is it even possible?